Hey Algebra 1 students, this short video is going to show you how to change some formatting in a spreadsheet, how to calculate a formula in a spreadsheet, and how to copy cells in a spreadsheet. It's going to be very quick and fast, and it's not very hard, and this will help you do your spreadsheet activity that you're supposed to do for homework. You're going to set up this spreadsheet and enter this data in to column 1. And these are the headings: office price, 10%, 50%, 25%, and 50%. Okay, one thing you need to do is you need to change this formatting so it's money, so there's a dollar sign. So I'm going to click here and hold. I'm clicking and holding and dragging and highlighting. So with my mouse, I clicked on the very first cell. I clicked, I held, I dragged down, so now there's a blue box around those cells. Go up to data, go to format, number, and here's currency, and it puts the dollar sign on there for you. Okay, the next thing you need to do is you're going to put a formula in this spreadsheet. I don't want you just type in the numbers you see on the page. You're going to actually enter the formula, and you're going to be giving me sharing this spreadsheet with me. In order to write a formula in Excel, or any spreadsheet, but this is an Excel, but in any spreadsheet, you need to type the equal sign first. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to take 10%. We want to find out the price of this item if it's 10% off. Okay? So if it's 10% off, we're actually going to be paying 90% of the total cost of the item. Okay? So we're going to take 90% of $5.99. So whenever you have that of there with percentages, that means multiply. So we're going to go 0.9. You use the asterisk for multiplication, okay, times. And this is the cell we want to multiply by. We want to multiply by $5.99, but we don't want to type $5.99. We want it to look in the cell to find the information. So we're going to click on that cell. And notice it says in there, 0.9 times A2, okay? That's what we're going to multiply by. Now you can hit the enter when you're done, and it'll actually tell you what the price is. That's 90% of $5.99. Okay. I already had it formatted for dollars. If you didn't, you'll have to format this for dollars as well, for currency. Now you could retype that formula all of these different times if you really wanted to, but luckily a spreadsheet makes it really easy for you to copy that. Okay. To copy, you can copy several different ways. You can select this and do Control-C, and then select your destination and hit Control-V as in Victor, and it will paste it. But the really easy way to copy in this spreadsheet is you use this little pull handle right here, that little tiny box right there. Grab it and pull it down, and it will copy that cell all the way down. Now I want you to notice something. Here, we still have the 0.9 times A3. We typed A2 in here. We selected this. The spreadsheet is smart enough to know that, hey, we don't want to multiply 0.9 times $5.99 again. We want to multiply it by whatever is in column A. So you'll notice that as it copied, it automatically switched to the next cell down for you. You didn't have to do that. Okay, so that is what you need to know and do to do this activity. I'll want you to figure out these equations on your own. I'll give you a little hint. We did 0.9 for 10% off. What do you think we're going to do for 15% off? It's going to be the same thing. 100 minus 10 gave us 90, so possibly you're going to do 100 minus 15. Okay? Quite probably. So good luck with this, and play around with it, and make sure that you share this with me when you're done. Thanks.